Hey guys, it's Jason with Jason Sandu & Associates and welcome to another new listing. Today we're at 46365 Cessna Drive in Chilliwack, BC. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an open concept floor plan, and the kitchen on the main. This home's lot is also 70 by 100, which gives you a good space. We're also in a close proximity to all levels of school, transit, and amenities. So come, let's check this one out. Hey guys, so if you'd like to set up a private showing, just let me know. Call me at 604-791-1926 or email us at info@jasonsandu.ca.